Revolutionize your video projects by seamlessly blending the groundbreaking AI of Nano Banana with the intuitive power of Veo 3. Today, we're diving into how to harness the combined might of Nano Banana and Veo 3 to elevate your video production workflow. Get ready to unlock stunning visual effects and streamline your editing process like never before. Our journey begins with understanding Nano Banana's core capabilities. This powerful AI tool offers a suite of intelligent features designed to enhance your footage. Think advanced object detection, intelligent scene analysis, and even generative content possibilities. First, let's explore how to apply Nano Banana's visual enhancements directly within Veo 3. While Nano Banana is a standalone AI engine, its true power shines when integrated into your existing editing pipeline. You'll typically export footage that has undergone Nano Banana processing, or use its output as a layer within Veo 3. Imagine taking a standard video clip and applying Nano Banana's iPod-style transfer. You could transform everyday footage into a breathtaking painting, or give it the aesthetic of a classic film, all with just a few intuitive selections. The core principle is preparation. Ensure your video files are ready for AI analysis for Nano Banana. This might involve exporting with specific codecs or resolutions, depending on the AI effect you intend to achieve. Once your processed footage or Nano Banana's AI-generated elements are ready, import them directly into your Veo 3 project. Veo 3's robust timeline and intuitive interface make it easy to integrate these advanced assets. Now, let's talk integration. You can bring Nano Banana's output as a full video layer, a green screen element, or even as alpha channels for seamless compositing. Experiment with Veo 3's blending modes to create truly unique and captivating visual fusions. For stunning visual effects, consider using Nano Banana for intelligent background removal or generating dynamic visual elements that you can then composite into your scenes within Veo 3. This drastically cuts down on manual editing time. Beyond the visual flair, Nano Banana's AI can also inform your editing decisions. For example, it might analyze scene pacing and suggest optimal cut points within Veo 3, or identify key emotional moments. This data can then guide your timeline adjustments for a more impactful narrative. The synergy between Nano Banana and Veo 3 isn't just about adding effects. It's about augmenting your creative control. You can use Nano Banana to generate unique textures or abstract visuals, and then use Veo 3 to precisely animate and place them, crafting bespoke motion graphics. By understanding how to prepare your footage and leverage the integration points, you can transform your video projects from ordinary to extraordinary. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence with Nano Banana and the flexibility of Veo 3. And start creating visuals that truly captivate.